I don't think I could have sat by and watched two people burn up like that. So I immediately went up to the windshield and started calling out to the guy. He looked like he was in pretty bad shape and he wasn't responsive. He was moaning and kind of moving around, but he wasn't like responding to me. So at that point, my friend and I grabbed his hands and pulled him out a short distance from the vehicle, and then that's when I saw there was a second guy in the back. I don't know if he was trapped, but there was debris on top of him, and so we reached in and grabbed him and pulled him out